Hello mga ka-jinglers! This is Beldy and welcome back to another episode of our podcast. I'm here with my partner Wendy.
Hello, Beldy.
And today we're talking about a question, Wendy, we can all relate
Yes.
to. What makes a house?
A home.
Yeah.
Okay. So, hi, Jinglers. A house is built usually with walls and roof. Pero when we say home, usually we say it's about love, di ba? Comfort, and the people who makes it alive. So, let's dive into how spaces turn into places of belonging.
You know, Wendy, when people say house, they usually think of we usually actually think of
Yes.
design,
Mhm.
furniture, or even
Architectural.
location, but home feels different.
Yes.
It's
It's emotional.
emotional and personal.
Yes, exactly. So, a house can be beautiful indeed, di ba? We all wanted a beautiful house. Modern, huge,
Tama.
mansion. Yes,
Yes.
but if it's empty of connection, does it really, serves its purpose? It doesn't feel like home at all. So, home, what is a home? Home is where you can be yourself.
Kahit magulo, di ba?
Yes, kahit
Especially pag
magulo.
especially kapag merong mga children.
Oo. Kahit minsan, nag-aaway and all, but then, it is a home, right?
Yes. So I think
There's the sense of belonging,
eh,
kahit simple lang siya.
tama. And I think that's why people say home is not a place, it's a feeling. It's about tama yung sinabi mo,
Yes.
belonging.
Yes, it is belonging. Katulad nga ng, old na saying natin noon, na aanhin mo pa ang bahay na bato kung ang nakatira naman ay,
Kwago.
yes, mas mabuti pa ang,
Bahay kubo.
kung ang nakatira naman ay, alam ng mga listeners natin ito, tao.
Yes.
Simple
Naalala mo
natin.
pa yung saying
Yes,
na yan?
of course. It's one of my favorite noong elementary pa lang ako.
Yes, tama.
Oo, marami tayong natutunan noon sa GMRC natin.
Yes,
Di ba?
mahilig tayo noon sa ano, no? Yung mga
Sa Filipino,
saying.
yes. Oo.
Aside from that, meron ka pa bang naalalang mga saying? Give me one more.
Um, Teka lang, nag-iisip pa. Ano pa ba?
Sige, sige. Let's
Teka lang, parang yun lang talaga yung in relation to our
topic.
topic for today.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oo,
Okay.
siguro nasa tao ang gawa, nasa Diyos ang awa.
Oo, related ba siya?
Related siya. Oo, kailangan mong gawin. You don't ask for a good relationship, for a good home, but you have to make it happen.
Exactly.
Yes. So it's an exerted effort of everybody.
Natumpak mo siya.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, going back. So,
For me, when the home is the smell of food cooking in the kitchen, I really like that smell.
yes, like adobo, simmering, or pansit during birthdays.
Oh,
di
I'm
ba?
sorry, but I don't like the smell of adobo. Ngayong adult na ako,
Ano?
I like the smell of pusit, inihaw na baboy, inihaw na isda.
Ay, yung inihaw na isda.
Sa'yo,
That is the
adobo.
best.
Hindi
Yes.
kita kukontrahin dyan. Yeah.
Adobo, quite a bit. Siguro parang kasi in our age right now, we're going back na sa, the simplest and basic life. So, mas gusto natin yung, yung mga isda.
Pusit,
Diba?
my favorite
Pusit,
nowadays.
seafoods.
Oh, yes. I love that.
Yes. Kasi yung mga manok yan is more sa mga bata.
Yes, yes.
Okay. And
And for me, it's the memories also, like family gathered around the table, sharing kwento.
mga birthdays.
Yes, laughing
Together.
together, and then talking about what happened in the past,
Yes.
talking about memories.
There should be like once, like in a year, the family should somehow make it happen to be together.
Yes.
To sit down and then talk really and have fun. Yung walang cellphone, walang other
Well,
things around really.
yes.
So kahit maliit lang ang space, it feel like home.
Because of the people.
Exactly. And sometimes also, even the neighbors, not just sa bahay natin.
Yes.
Our neighbors could also make us feel like home. Are you good with your neighbors, Beldy?
Yes, yung kapitbahay na kumakatok to share food, or we can see kids playing outside.
Yes. Oo.
So that sense
Agree.
of the sense of community adds warmth.
Mm-mm.
Yan yung ano,
Nakakagaan ng
home.
feeling when you are good with your neighbors, pero not too close naman na talagang chismis araw-araw, wag naman
Yes,
ganun.
not healthy.
Yes,
Not
yung parang
healthy.
ano lang, magkikita kayo, at least you know like you are in a good relationship somehow.
Yes, yeah.
Oo, nakakagaan ng feeling at magaan din pagpasok mo sa bahay mo.
True. It's
'Di
not
ba?
just
You
inside the
bring
house kasi
mhm.
yung home na tinatawag. It's the
Yes.
neighborhood, the barangay vibe. Yeah, wala kang
Barangay.
kaaway sa barangay.
Oo.
Oo. So, you shared experiences.
Exactly. So, Belle, what do you think are the universal things that make any house feel like home? Home sweet home.
I'd say three things: love, safety, and memories. What do you think,
Okay.
Wendy?
Bakit? Bakit love, safety, and memories?
Love makes you feel you are safe. You are safe, right?
Yes.
Uh-uh. And you feel secure.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and memories give meaning to the space.
Exactly. You're building it.
Exactly, you're
Yes.
building it. Yeah.
Yes. When you say kasi memories, those are the feelers.
Mhm.
Because sometimes we get too busy in our lives. Like, may mga kapwa tayo ginagawa araw-araw. So we miss those, we normally have spaces or gaps,
Mhm.
no, sa relationship natin sa pamilya natin. And then these memories, the memories that we build are the one that filling in those gaps. Like, oh, reconnect ulit.
Yes,
Ganon.
that's correct.
Mhm.
Yeah. Naalala mo noong 7 years old tayo, 'di ba?
Yeah.
We did this, we did that, and then you enjoy talking about that and you
Yes.
feel like, wow, meron tayong very very good relationship
Yes.
before.
Sometimes even magkaaway, no? Biglang nag-aaway. Tapos, when somebody is going to open up, uy, alam mo, nung kabataan natin, magkasundo naman kayo ni ganito eh. 'Di ba?
Mm.
Tapos, naglalaro pa nga kayo, magkasama kayong nanggugulo, ganon. And then, you suddenly feel that reconnection towards that person. Kahit masama ang feeling mo, pero meron pa ring spark kahit konti.
Yeah, so yung
So,
memories natin, yun yung filler.
yes, exactly. A little bit of a medicine din for
Exactly.
our heavy hearts.
Yes.
Okay. So, okay, by the way, so those three things that you said about love, safety, and memories, let me add one also. Comfort. Because for me, home is like, having your favorite spot. Maybe a
Yeah.
chair
Yes.
or even a corner. Me, I love corners.
Yes, I also love corner.
Corners.
Kasi maliit yung bahay namin, di ba?
That's
Tayo na
our
lang nag-adjust.
safe space natin yon, nook. Kumbaga,
Yes.
yes.
Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin na, okay, my favorite spot is the whole living room. Maliit kasi yung bahay namin.
Ano, ikaw na lang doon?
I don't wanna own the whole living room.
Yes, not even the bedroom.
No, yes. So, meron akong favorite corner. Alam mo yun, di ba?
Yeah.
I drink coffee
Uh-huh.
sa corner na yan.
Yes.
And then, I read books if I have time.
The place that you can be yourself. Sa akin naman kasi, I love the corner because way back when I was young, corner talaga is where I could just sit and then read my books.
You love
Yes.
reading books,
I
right?
love, I'm
Yeah.
a bit of a bookworm before. So, yun nga, I can finish like 2 books in a day kung walang mangiistorbo. Basta nandoon lang ako and feels like, somebody is hugging you. Parang hinahug ka ng bahay. Anyway, so,
Yes.
yes, we have our favorite spots. I don't know to our listeners there if they have their own. 'Di ba? Think about it. Alam namin
I'm
na
sure
meron
they
kayong
have.
favorite. Yes, exactly.
Yeah, and Wendy, routines too. Even simple ones like morning coffee. With my husband, usually, we drink coffee together in the morning.
Sana all.
Sa'yo, you do that.
I do that when my husband is here. Pero pag wala, okay, cellphone na lang. Good morning.
We have our own routines and
Yes.
ways kung paano natin ginagawa yung mga routines natin. Like
Mhm.
you, si Farah yung husband mo
Yes.
kasi, kaya
Siguro for you with your husband and then for me with my children. Like
Yes.
every night we pray together. Parang need
Yes.
talaga yun.
And those habits make the house feels
Feel alive.
alive. Yeah.
Okay. So you know, Belle, sometimes people chase big houses. Normal lang kasi sa tao na mag-dream big.
Yeah. When I was young, also, I wanted to have a big house. How about you?
Yeah, I want a mansion. Kasi nga lost
Diba?
princess ako, diba? Ayun,
Yeah.
mga ano ko, fantasies ko.
Yes, but as we get older, umiiba na yung likes natin. Like before, I wanted to have a big house. You wanted a mansion, but now I only want to have a simple house kasi mahirap din maglinis, di ba?
Oo, a house of our own. Yun lang
Exactly.
yun. Kahit
Yeah.
maliit. And then, for now kasi parang ang trending is tiny living.
Tiny living.
Basta
Yeah.
tiny living siya.
Yeah.
Oo, yun yung ano, in trend right now.
Yes.
Oo, kahit maliit na bahay, you fill in all other spaces.
Mhm.
Again, sa spaces tayo. Okay. We chase big houses, yes, before. But, and then, we usually forget, like, what matters is the feeling inside.
Yes, kahit maliit, basta puno ng pagmamahal, it's priceless.
Exactly. And the jinglers, you know, maybe ask yourself, what makes your house a home? Are you living in a house ba or are you living in a home?
Sometimes I live in a home. In a house.
Sometimes.
Sometimes. No, kidding aside, there's no perfect relationship, but we always try to build a home inside a house.
Yes. Basta alam nyo na set sa mind nyo ng taong kasama mong bumubuo ng pamilya na you want to build a home. That's
yes,
it.
dapat alam natin kung ano yung goal natin. Yung goal natin is to build a home.
Yes.
Yeah.
So is it the people ba and the traditions or the little moments that give you comfort?
Everything.
Everything. The people
The
around,
people,
the
the
tradition.
tradition,
Again, moments or
little
memories.
moments and memories.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. At the end of the day, home is not about perfection. It's about belonging. It's about knowing that when you walk through that door,
You're in
you're in a
place.
place where you matter.
Yeah.
I matter. Sabihin natin yun sa self natin, mga ka-jinglers. I matter. So, I'm building a home.
Yes. Let's build a home.
Yes.
And that's it for today's episode, mga ka-jinglers. We hope this conversation inspired you to think about what truly makes your house a home.
Yes. And yung mga guides, I think, like, nasabi ko, yes, I try to think about it, mga listeners natin, mga ka-jinglers natin.
Yeah.
So, sa mga ka-jinglers natin, try to think about it, you know, really reflect somehow. If you have a partner, if you are like husband and wife, try to think about it. Am I building a home or a house?
Yes.
And then try to check also yung mga guides na sinabi ni Belty kanina, right?
Mhm.
And yes, importante is what matters most. What is really.
Even if you're single, if you're listening now, you can also build a home with the people around you.
It must start with you.
Yeah, that's correct.
Yes, you can start it. Kahit mahirap, but as long as you are you have the perseverance to start it. So you know you can make a difference.
Yes, build a home.
Yeah. So anyway, mga ka-jinglers, if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to follow and subscribe on our YouTube channel. We also have our Facebook page. So you can catch us on Instagram, Facebook Reels, and of course on Spotify. So just search for a podcast and be a part of the Jinglers community.
This is Beldy,
And this is Windy.
reminding you home
It's
is
not
not
just
just
a
a place,
place.
it's a feeling.
Exactly. Salamat for listening and we'll see you on the next
Episode.
episode.
Thanks for listening. Have a
Bye.
nice day. Bye.